According to psychology, women have less tendency to lie than men. While men lie 6 times a day, women lie 3 times. Sometimes we feel more confident in one type of clothes than in another. According to psychology, the more psychology you know, the chances of your success increase by 70%, so that you can complete your favorite tasks quickly. By thinking a positive thought every morning, you can psychologically develop your brain to be a happier person. When we touch something, its information reaches our brain at a speed of 124 kilometers per hour. The love, the relationship, the friend who does not motivate you to move forward in the future, understand that those people are using you only for their time pass, because the one who really cares for you will always motivate you for your career. According to psychology, when a true person is cheated by someone, he feels as much pain as putting 23 injection needles together on a person's palm. About 68% people suffer from phantom vibration syndrome. In this, we feel our phone vibrating while the phone is not actually vibrating. According to psychology, no matter how many problems you are surrounded by, even a little voice of the person you love can reduce your problems by 70%. When a woman isn't frustrated and upset with you, you can almost guarantee she doesn't care about you anymore. Girls usually cannot hold their eyes for a long time with the guy they like a lot. Psychology says that excessive attachment to a person can ruin you because attachment gives birth to expectations, and expectations made from others ultimately lead to unhappiness. Psychological truth: when you are sad or cry, you first remember the face of the person whom you love the most. According to psychology, don't make anyone the most important part of your life, because when they change, you will not be able to hate them, but you will start hating yourself. Psychology says, if you don't control your emotions, it will be manipulated against you. You got to train your mind to be stronger than your feelings, or else you'll lose every single time. Psychology says if you focus on problems you will have more problems, but if you focus on solutions then you will have many ways to solve problems. Psychology says that GF or BF do not talk angrily to each other during small fights, yet they feel that my partner's call or message is about to come. According to psychology, people who speak very quickly are pure at heart. They do not like to do wrong with others or to see them being wrong. According to psychology, the feelings hidden in opinion never end. They go away for some time, but as soon as you are alone, they come again and shake you inside. The cure is to be with your family or friends. Psychology says that if you do not want to be ignored by someone, then start ignoring him before that. He will not be able to ignore you even if he wants to.